Take two.
Take two. Hello, Tim. Welcome.
Thank you.
And thank you for this interview.
Of course.
Please tell us how do you see IT Camp and how did you manage to...
How does a Californian get all the way to
Exactly.
Pennsylvania?
Yeah.
This is actually the second IT camp that I spoke at. I did the keynote at this conference also last year. This is a very successful event run by Mihai and Tudi. Mihai and I go way back. He's kind of a pillar in the Microsoft ecosystem. Many people know him. He asked me to come out last year, and I absolutely said yes. I've never been to Romania. My wife and I actually brought my wife last year and this year, and we traveled the entire country. We rented a car. I have been to most of Romania. And in fact, when this conference is over, we'll be traveling again and getting to the places that we haven't been. Fantastic people, awesome food, unfortunately, and you have this Shwika thing too.
Great thing ever. Yeah. We like your presentation today. Do you think that people who are coming to this conference are as well as prepared as the people you're used to talk with?
Well, first, thank you for the kind words on my keynote and my presentation. Microsoft has sent me all over the world, and audiences are different everywhere, pretty much culturally based. And unlike other places in Eastern Europe, the people here are very engaging. It's kind of surprising because in other places in Eastern Europe that I've spoke, you don't get that engagement from the audience. You get blank stares. So you don't really know if you're doing well, if you're getting through. But here in Romania, great questions, great engagement. When I'm done with my presentation, people come up to me and the great thing about the Connect is people come up with these awesome use cases. It's stuff I've never thought about. And I have the greatest conversations with the people here because of it. The Connect just generates great use cases.
Do you think for a developer it's a good thing to participate in these kind of events? Do they have something to learn more than, say, new technologies?
Yeah, that's a great question because humans learn differently. Some humans learn by a book, and that's the most effective way to learn. And some developers learn by staring at code, right? Other developers have to see it in a presentation. I think when you combine all those things, you learn very effectively. And there is a place for live presentations, for engagement. And it's not just showing the latest generation of things. It's showing how to implement currently shipping things, maybe in a different way or more creative way.
Okay, thank you. And the last question will be, did you notice something change from the last year event?
It's bigger. Yeah, this conference has a lot of people. Clearly, it's run very well by those two. There's a giant support staff that runs this conference. The difference between this year and last year, in all honesty, I told some of my buddies, my speaker buddies at Microsoft and other, hey, you need to come to this thing. So Richard Campbell and his wife are here because I said, Richard, you need to do this conference. Because they treat us well, it's fun, and the people in the audiences, the developers and the IT people are just really great. It's been really fun.
Thank you. Will you be here next year?
If you'll have me, I would love to come back.
Thank you, Tim.
All right.